How to take long exposure photos on iPhone. To get started, first of all open up the camera application on your phone. The camera app is a versatile tool for capturing photos and videos, offering various shooting modes, editing features, and quick access options. It allows users to take photos, videos, live photos, portraits, panoramas, and more, with options to adjust settings like flash, night mode, and zoom. You are now in the iPhone camera screen. On this screen, go to the top right corner and tap on the live icon to turn it on. And then, tap on the capture button below to take a photo. Now, go back and open up the Photos application. You can view all your photos, videos, and albums over here. Open the photo just took from here. Then, tap on the Live option at the top left corner. Select Long Exposure. You have now converted this to a long exposure photo. Following these steps, you can easily take long exposure photos on iPhone.